Hey everybody, here with Asp CMO Neil. We're here at C2 Tactical in Scottsdale doing a bunch of shooting. Wanted to talk to you about a little product review for you today. And I want to talk to you about this Rescue Essentials Stop the Bleed kit. Big Tex Outdoors has holsters, accessories, optics, and other parts that you need as a self-defender. I'm one of his customers and I recommend him highly. Check out the page on our website with our favorite deals. So Neil, we've talked to these guys a whole bunch. They're not a sponsor of the channel, not yet, but this is the kind of stuff that encourages me. So a couple things. You guys know medical stuff is important to me. This is my ankle kit. I took it off just to remind and show you guys kind of what's going on here. I carry this one every day. It's from Wilderness Tactical Ankle IFAC. Now, this Rescue Essentials kit, people ask me all the time, John, where do I fill this? Because Wilderness Tactical doesn't sell them filled. They're a very small business and it's too expensive for them to do that. This Rescue Essentials Stop the Bleed kit, this guy right here is an absolute perfect off-the-shelf solution to fill a Wilderness Tactical Ankle IFAC. It comes with, number one, a windlass tourniquet. They will put, now any of the approved, or any of the three of the approved Committee of Tactical Combat Casualty Care tourniquets in it. This one has an orange cat in it, combat application tourniquet. You will see in here, I have a Gen 4 Soft T Wide in my ankle kit. They will put a Soft T Wide in there instead. So if I was going to use this to fill my Asp Field Trauma kit, I would use the cat. I think the cat is the easiest one to put on. But for my ankle kit, I would get it with the Soft T. Then it has two compressed gauzes. Now, you will recognize that I have a compressed gauze right here. It has an emergency pressure dressing, basically a 4-inch Israeli bandage. Fits right here and perfect. It has a set of trauma shears. Now, these trauma shears here are very basic shears. I instead have a set of Leatherman Raptors, but the Raptors by themselves are like 70 bucks. Yeah. And they're great, but those will do you fine for a whole lot cheaper. It has a pair of nitrile gloves. I keep 2 pairs of nitrile gloves, but one is probably fine. And then theirs has a mini Sharpie marker in it too. So then that way, if you have to put a tourniquet on somebody, that you put a big T on their forehead or whatever. That, and the biggest thing here is that they are an approved vendor for North American Rescue and TACMed Solutions. And so they get the tourniquets from the source, and so they're trusted and trustworthy in that. You could take this, fill this guy, and you have a source that you get everything all in one. I don't make nothing for this. I don't like I said, I don't have a relationship with them. I don't have a discount code for you. I don't have an affiliate link or none of that stuff because we don't generally do affiliates. Nope. And we don't do that stuff. But this right here, approved stuff to stick in here. Now
they make a double kit with 2 of everything too.
Oh, do they really?
Yep.
Man, a double kit with 2 of everything, perfect for your car kit.
Right?
Perfect for those little Nanook, 904s that we saw. Would be perfect for those guys. Man, I don't have to take everything out. It's approved stuff. Put it in here. I'm actually going to take this one and put it in my car kit when I get done. So, quick gear review for you. Once again, I want to thank Ike and his team at Big Tex Outdoors for sponsoring the gear reviews. Man, love this as a standalone resource.